Nokia N91 disassembly. Be sure to be connected to the earth connection box and your ESD wristband. You will need the following tools: the SRT6, metal tweezers, a Torx Plus driver size 6, a flat-bladed screwdriver, the SS15 camera removal tool, the SS93, and a DC plug. Always protect the windows with plastic film. Also cover the camera window with protective film. Unlock and remove the B-cover assembly. Gently release the clips of the antenna cover assembly on both sides. Lift off the antenna cover assembly. Release the 6 Torx Plus size 6 screws in the order shown and remove them.